Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your financial goals with Personal Capital, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Personal Capital app or website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Goals section on the dashboard. Click on the Add a Goal button. Choose the type of financial goal you want to set. Options may include retirement, buying a home, or saving for education. Enter the objective of your goal clearly. Set a specific target date for when you want to achieve this goal. Input the total amount needed to reach your goal. Review the suggested monthly contributions provided by the app. Adjust the monthly contribution amount if needed, based on your budget. Check the projected growth based on your current savings and investment strategy. If you have existing accounts, connect them to see how they contribute to your goals. After completing the details, click Save to confirm your goal. Review your goals regularly to monitor progress and make any necessary adjustments. Utilize the budgeting tools within Personal Capital to help stay on track. Consider your risk tolerance when planning investments for your goals. Take advantage of the educational resources offered by Personal Capital for more insights. Make sure to set reminders to check back on your goals periodically. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.